Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be talking about IELTS. Before taking any test, it is must and necessary you should know the format of that test. Of course, everyone knows that IELTS is a test which is to be taken for improving your English if you want to move to Canada. So today's video is going to be all about that. Just stay tuned for that. So let's start the video. IELTS or International English Language Testing System is an international standard test of English language proficiency for non-native English speaker. So this is in collaborative with the British Council and IDP. So let's see who is eligible to take this test. So if you are planning to study in UK, Australia, Canada and New Zealand or USA, then you have to take this test in IELTS Academy. If you are immigrating to Canada as a PR or Australia or New Zealand, then you have to go for IELTS general training. So the validity of test will be 2 years. So what all it covers, what are the basic language skills they will be looking for. So the first one will be listening, reading, writing and speaking. According to the test format, I have added it. So the first test will be listening, reading, writing and speaking. So let's move to see what is listening all about. So the listening is all about the module for 4 sessions with 10 questions in each section. 40 minutes will be the duration of time and 30 minutes will be the testing and 10 minutes for transferring the answer into answer sheets. This is for paper based. If you are taking computer based, then you won't be able to get 10 minutes. You can hear only one time the recording, so we have to be very careful when we are hearing it, and you will be getting headphones or a speaker according to the center. So looking into the session 1 and 2, it will be about the everyday situation or whatever social situation is going on in the world currently, and session 1 has a conversation between two speakers. For example, if you want to book a travel ticket or if a telephonic conversation or something like that. So the session 2 has one person speaking, for example speech about a local facilities or any speech or something like that. It is called as monologue. So session 3 and session 4 are about everyday and social situations again, but in terms of session 3 will be between two main speaker. For example, discussion between two university students, something like that. Session 4 has one person speaking but an academic subject, that is monologue, maybe teacher speaking with his students or something like that. So next, moving into reading format. So how will be the reading paper for IELTS? So the reading paper has a 3 section again, and it will be for 60 minutes including a transfer time. It will be having a 40 questions and with a 3 section as I mentioned earlier. Reading will be different in academic and general. So the 3 reading test may be from journal, newspaper, magazine or any online resources for a non-specific audience. So if you are going to study, then definitely you will be taking an academic format. So in that case, you will be receiving the related questions regarding undergraduation and post-graduation level. But if you are going for a IELTS general training, then again it contains 3 sections. The first section will be containing a 2 to 3 short text or letters shorter text which deals with a everyday topic. So the second session will contain 2 text again which deals with a work, maybe job description or contract or something like that. Session 3 contains a long text about the topic of a general interest. The general topic may be something taken from newspaper, magazine or a book or any online resources. This is reading format. So let's move into writing format now. So the writing paper has 2 tasks, 60 minutes total timing, 20 minutes for task 1 and 40 minutes for task 2. Task 1, you will have to write at least 150 words in 20 minutes. In task 2, you have to write at least 250 words in about 40 minutes. Again, for academic it will be different and general training it will be different. So in academic task 1, you will be given some graph or table or chart or map of pie chart, anything like that. So you have to describe that part. So task 2 will be your discussion point of view or an argument or to a problem. So coming to the IELTS general training, the task 1 will be you are given to write a letter in response to everyday situation and essay about a general interest in task 2. So going forward we will see how the scores are differentiated. Stay tuned for that. Next, moving to the speaking test. So as everyone knows, and there are a lot of YouTube channels out there to demonstrate the speaking thing. You can go and check them all, and those are really helpful, believe me. So coming to the format, the speaking test is face-to-face interview between the examiner and you. Here it will be 3 sections again, 11 minutes to 14 minutes approximately. So session 1 will be introduction and interview about yourself. Maybe they will ask about your home, family, work, studies or hobbies, or anything like general topic, where you are from and what you like, what is your lifestyle all about, something like that. So section 2 will be about 3 to 4 minutes again, and you are given a task card about a particular topic which you have 1 minute to prepare about this topic. The task card states the points that should be included in the task and one except of the topic which must be explained during the talk. You are expected to talk for 2 minutes. After, the examiner will ask 1 or 2 questions based on that. So the session 3, it is for 4 minutes and this will be discussion. The third section involves discussion between examiner and you, generally on topic or related to the previous section. That is session 2. So these are all about the 4 formats where you will be testing on your English on. So make sure you understand the format very well. Even in the description I leave some links where you can freely access these. These are the formats, 4 type of formats on basis of which your English will be evaluated. So you are taking a test, means first thing is you have to know how is the format. Because I am preparing for my IELTS, so I thought I'll come up with a video so that it will help you guys also accordingly. So going forward I'll just share with you how it is marked. So how the score is given for this all format. You will be receiving a score for each component: listening, reading, writing and speaking individually. On average will be taken and rounded to produce a overall band score. On the screen you can see there is a 2 tables. So it will give you a brief idea about how the scoring can be done. And one more point to note, here we don't have any negative marking. So make sure you attempt all the questions, even if it's right or wrong. So then coming to the down table, there you will find if it's 9, what is what is it, like expert user or a very good user or something like that. So this is all about the video guys. I hope you liked it. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel and let me know how it is helping you in a comment box. Thank you for watching.